Hi, I'm Clovis from Kinematic Lab, the maker of the radius tool. In this tutorial I will show you how to create a more advanced effect using the detach tool explained in the last tutorial with radius. Let's start. This example is quite exactly the same done with the first version of radius influence tool, which is the version 1.0. Let's do the same with the radius tool now. I will delete the scene, create a cylinder object with a lot of cap segments, convert it to editable polygon, and delete some faces. Okay, these ones. So now I will select some edges loops. Okay. Start detach faces to auto pivot and detach selected edges. So now all these faces are detached and each pivot point is in the center of the edges I selected before. So I create my gizmo, I add the objects inside, I link a rotation axis, and yes, I have to activate the gizmo. Okay, it's the wrong effect, so yes, I changed the minimum value on the force to have the rotation in the right value. Okay, so the maximum is 180 degrees, so it's from flat to flat. So I can add some random effect. It's nicer. I will add a shell modifier on the faces to be able to see more of the effect. Okay. Alright, so all these faces are rotating. We can of course play with the fall of curve to add a ripple effect around the center, or do exactly what you want. Alright, but for the scene I will stay a lot more simple. So I will bake the animation from 0 to 100 and unlink it. So it's irreversible, but it's not linked anymore. So it will be much more faster in the viewport. You will be able to play the animation in real time. As you can see, it's much more easier to play with it now. And you can link another parameter here. I will use the visibility to be sure the faces will just disappear after they're rotated. So for that I will have to adjust the value. So visibility have to be negative. Maybe not as strong as -1. I don't know. -0.5. 0.2 maybe. It's not enough. Let's stay with -1 and change the curve. Okay, it's a lot better. So sometimes it requires a lot of tweaking if you want something with precise. Because I would like the faces disappear just when they stop rotating. Just not really possible because of the random value I give to the rotation. But it can look quite okay. So now I'll bake the visibility and link it. So you will see that in that type of scene with a lot of objects, I will be able to play easily the animation in the viewport if I bake and unlink it. Because if I keep the link between the gizmo and the objects, that means that every object will have an expression, a script expression on the float value you linked. So it's a bit slow to calculate. So now you can see it's very easy. Alright, that's it. See you on the next tutorial.